Hello everyone, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So I'm back with another tutorial video of how you can log into Shein account. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So to get started, first of all, make sure you have installed Shein application on your mobile phone. You can also log into Shein account through the website, but here I'm using a Shein application. So let's get started. First of all, go ahead and tap on the Shein application. Once you do that, you'll be appear with somewhat like this on your screen interface. This is basically the home page of Shein application. So now what you can do is tap on that Me button, which is located at the bottom right corner. Once you tap on it, you can see the option sign in or register. Simply tap on it. Once you do that, you'll be appear with the login home page of Shein. Now type down your mobile number or email address and tap on the continue button. Once you do that, simply type down your password, and if you have forgotten your password, you can also tap on forget your password and reset your password for Shein. And once you are done with typing your password, simply tap on sign in order to log into your Shein account. Once you do that, you are good to go and you will be successfully logged into Shein account. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. And do not forget to press on notification bell for more updates.